हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम साइंस पढ़ेंगे। पहले हमने चैप्टर 1 का पार्ट 1 पढ़ा था। आज पार्ट 2 है एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन। ये आखिरी पार्ट है। व्हाट इज अ स्टिमुलस? डिटेक्टेबल चेंज इन द इन्वायरमेंट देन एन organism can detect through its sense organs. For example, hot and cold temperature are stimulus of skin. What do you call an action taken as a result of a stimulus? The action taken as a result of stimulus is a response. Name the five main sense organs and the senses to which they respond. Following are the sense organs and senses: taste, touch, smell, sound, sight, tongue, skin, nose, ears, eyes. What is the difference between a nerve and a nerve cell or neuron? Bundle of neurons are called nerves, and the individual cells of nervous system are called neurons. Describe three features that neurons have in common with other cells. They both have cell membrane, they both have nucleus, they both have cytoplasm, they both have mitochondria, they both produce their own proteins. How are neurons adapted to carry out their particular job or function? They have long axons to conduct impulse. Number 2, their axons have fatty sheath to speed up impulse. What are the two parts of the central nervous system? Brain and spinal cord. List the main functions of the cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum, thinking. Number 2, problem solving. Number 3, decision making. Cerebellum. Number 1, body balance. Number 2, muscle coordinating. Medulla oblongata. Number 1, breathing. Number 2, heartbeat. Number 3, body temperature. Number 4, blood pressure. Why do you think the spinal cord runs through the middle of the bones of your backbone? Number 1, the vertebral column provide protection to the spinal cord. Number 2, the vertebral column extends through whole body so the spinal cord can receive the impulses easily from the whole body. Question number 10. Why are reflexes important? Reflexes are important because they prevent any damage in case of an emergency situation or even life-threatening situations. Which two reflex actions occur when dust blows into your eyes? Number 1, closing of eyes. Number 2, release of tears from tear glands. 3, rubbing of eyes by hand. Discuss whether coughing when something goes down the wrong way in a voluntary action or reflex action. In normal conditions, coughing is voluntary, but in case of emergency situation, i.e. something goes the wrong way, coughing becomes a reflex action. Explain the difference between a voluntary action and an involuntary action. Voluntary. Number 1, under conscious control. Number 2, happen in non-vital processes. Number 3, thoughts involved. Involuntary. Number 1, not under conscious control. Number 2, happens in vital processes. Number 3, thoughts involved. What is autonomic system? Autonomic nervous system controls the involuntary actions of the body. Last question. Arrange the following activities into two lists. those that are voluntary or under your control, and those that are involuntary or automatic. Eating, digesting food, blinking, heart beating, singing, coughing, sneezing, talking. Voluntary. Eating, blinking, singing, coughing, and talking. Involuntary, digesting food, heart beating, coughing, sneezing. Chapter 1 is completed.